Miss T Ideas. I want to welcome everybody that's here. I want to welcome all everybody that's here to see my video. I appreciate you so much, newcomers. If you're new to the video, welcome, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome to my video. Tonight, I'm going to show you something that I upcycled. Okay, I have this, I guess you can call it a folio, and I made this, and I made, got pockets, and this here is a paint leaflet that I got from the paint store. This is a paint leaflet, and I'm just saying that you can take nothing and make something. You can take something that's throwaway and make something for something. Okay, now this here, I painted it. It's like it has a little mixed media to it, because it's paper and it's paint. I made the pockets, and it opens like this. Let me make some room. And then make some room. And I have this one here. This is what it started from. It started from this. It started from this. I gotta stay focused. And it opens like this. And this here is this. I don't know why it looks so long. Maybe some of them open a little bit more, but this is this. So when you go to the store, if you're looking for paint, or you pick up some paint leaflets, you can make stuff out of it. And it is cardstock, so you can use that to make something. I also been making some tags out of paint cards. Making tags. Okay, I got a tag maker, and I cut the tag. I cut the paint card. You see, this is the paint card, and I cut it down. This is the original size. So I cut it down to like 2 inches so I can fit in here. And I stick this in here like this. I'm gonna match it. And it makes the tag. You can cover it, put a ribbon in it, and that's how you go. And this is made with paint cards. And I'll put this ribbon in here. No, let me show you. I'm gonna put the ribbon in here. I'm so glad my daughter came over, and she fixed my camera. So I'm loving it. There's the tag. And you cover it. Of course you cover it. But I'm just showing it to you in the raw. I'm just showing it to you in the raw. There. There's a tag, and it was made out of this. And this is a tag I have right here. And this was made out of this. Paint chip cards. And these are free at the paint store. And you collage them. I think I got some of these. Some Happy Mail, yeah. You collage these, and I made some. They were made of the same thing, out of paint cards. tags. I made that tag, and I think I'm gonna make one more tag. But I need to show you this. I need to stay focused. I'm gonna put that right there. I did the pockets. I done the paper. I covered this first. What I did was I covered it with paper. I covered it with coffee dyed paper, and then I inked it along the edges, you know, to make it look vintage. And I put pockets. I used cardstock. I used some. I had some Safari cardstock. I used that. This here is made out of paint chip cards. You can get them at the paint store, and they're free. Okay. And this here, this is my ephemera. It's also in my. I put ephemera here, so this is to keep my ephemera together. And I got pictures. I got a lot of this stuff I have gotten in Happy Mail. I've made some of it. I made most of it. I made the binder. And some of the things are so pretty. I'm advertising in my Happy Mail, from my Happy Mail. A friend of mine, she does a lovely job on these. And this side, you can write on it. I made this from a paint card also. And I put a little stitching on it. And this is just to keep my trinkets and just something fun. This is called collaging stickers. It's collaging. This was made out of paint card as well. And I think she's done a wonderful job. And this is a card. The other day I got some mail from, I got a Happy Mail from Germany. And, you know, I like getting stuff from other countries. But it didn't have, I can't read the return address or anything. So I got to find out who sent that. And this is my little people in here. I use my hole punch for the tag to grab it. And I bought this, and I put the writing here. Everything you see, I made on this card. The writing, the coffee dyed paper, the Safari, the pockets. I put stuff in the pockets. There's also a pocket right here. We like pockets, and we like to put little trinkets and stuff in the pocket. And this is some iconic photos here. I got some of them out of Happy Mail too. So I painted this. I made another pocket on the outside. I used my rubber stamps here. Put a flower here. And this paper. This is paper, coffee dyed paper, but I stamped it. And what we do in junk journaling, we try to make stuff out of stuff. Upcycle. Where's my... This here is this. When I picked this up at the paint store, I had no idea, no earthly idea I could make this with that. But, you know, you get creative, and that's what we do. And I got a little flap here. I got some memorabilia here. Some pictures from Atlanta. I got this beautiful card in here. I got a lot of stuff stuck in here. I got this here. This, I don't have my glasses on. Where's my glasses? This is Whitehaven Mansion. This is in Kentucky. This is an icon lady. Toni Morrison, novelist. Okay, this is Atlanta, Georgia. And this is an original postcard. I also got some of this in my Happy Mail. I made this out of paint card. And this is a playing card. So this is little memorabilia I keep in here. And stuff that people sent me that I kind of cherish. When people send me stuff, I like what they send me, and I really cherish it. Just the thought of the kindness and the exchange of some things that I may have and they may have, and and it's just a wonderful thing. This being in groups, crafting groups, and crafting journaling and stuff, that makes a huge difference in your life. You meet people from all over the world, and what I'm fixing to do now, I'm fixing to stop doing all this talking. Oh, but I got to show you my people first. Look, I got people. I've been wanting people so bad. I got people. Look, it's my people, honey. I like those little people. Look like they just got off the Titanic or something, huh? Look at them people was on the Titanic. Okay. This is old pictures here, and these are vintage. I have a picture of Dr. King. This is Atlanta. This is a monumental picture. Did I show you this? This is Atlanta, Georgia. These are some vintage. This is Dr. King's burial site. It said, I had a dream, Atlanta, Georgia. And this is also a part of that. See, this is the CNN Center in Atlanta, Georgia. And somebody from across the country sent me these pictures, and that was so nice. That was so sweet, and thoughtful. You know, no matter what's going on in this world, in this life, we gotta always realize that God is in control, and everybody is not on the hate thing. I'm thankful for everybody I meet and I've met in this journey. And this is my junk journal, and I'm fixing to get off of here. I really got on because it's kind of late. I really got on because I wanted to show you my camera is up and running. I hope the lighting is not too bright for you. And I just want to show you that this, and I got a pocket here and one on the back. And it holds a lot of my ephemera. This and this is the same thing. Here we go. There you have it. Paint cards made into tags. Tag and tag. Now, I have this, but you don't need this to make a tag. This here was not made with a tag. See how wide it is? This wasn't made with a tag. This little one here, it might have been, but it can be cut out. So you don't go out, and I said that on another video, don't go out and pay all kind of expensive stuff. You start with what you have. Start with a binder. Start with what you have. Start with cardboard. Start with cereal boxes. I did. Most of us have. Okay, well, I'm going to get off that soapbox, okay? So, this is Miss T with her ideas, and I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye. I'm going to need I know I'm going to need a little remote for this because I can't get away with having to move around and cut this off. Bye-bye.